Mark's doing is he's just planning implant placement. So all the implants that you had on the bottom, five years ago,
Yeah, 5.
right? 5 years ago. So that's what he's doing. He's planning for someone right now. All of it is done virtually on the computer first,
Wow.
and then so the surgery's done. He's actually doing the surgery right now virtually for someone. So when we actually go in there, it makes it a lot easier.
Oh, yeah.
Plus you get the implant
To get it
exact
right.
spot,
Exact
you
spot.
want it, how
Right.
deep it has to go.
So you were just saying to me, and Allison, hi Allison, I know your phone is. So you were saying to me before how life-changing it was
Yes.
5 years ago when you
Yes.
made that decision.
Yes.
What was that decision-making process like? What were you thinking of?
Well, I was scared. I didn't know what
You are.
to think. Yes. And then I talked to Dr. Laura, and she
Right.
referred me to you. She said we have a new, what do you call it?
New
Implants,
Hybridge, right?
Hybridge, and Dr. Allison, he thinks it might help you. Then I came and talked to you,
I remember that day.
and you told me, and I said, okay.
And that was 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
And how's it going so
It's
far?
wonderful. It's wonderful. It's changed my life. Made me feel better. You feel more confident, and I can eat.
Right.
That's a big plus.
That's the
We
big
like to
thing.
eat.
Yeah.
We love eating, right?
Yeah.
But you were saying before, you've noticed your friends that
I've noticed
what
other people who
other
had
people.
who had dentures on the bottom. Their bottom jaw sunk in, which made them look much older.
you don't have that.
And people tell me I don't look 80 years old.
You don't.
They said that your jaw is younger, and I feel better. Makes me feel better.
Mhm.
So it's been wonderful.
And you
when
and
you
you're
have a,
very
I'm sorry.
No, go ahead, Mark.
When you have a denture, a lot of times your jaw over closes
Yes.
and makes your face collapse.
Yes.
So what Dr. Al did is he actually figured out where you used to be before you
Yes.
lost your teeth.
And you told me that at that time. I said, I don't know.
You weren't sure, right?
All
Nobody's sure.
All
But
right.
5 years later,
5 years later, I'm even happier than I was then.
and
Wow.
maintenance, you came in today for your cleaning.
Yes.
You come in how many times a year?
Usually twice a year,
And,
or every 4 months. Not every
all right,
4
so
months.
3 times a year.
Yes.
And the hygienist says, Jamie, you saw today.
Yes.
She said you're doing a good job.
Yes.
So what is it, just for other people out there that are considering Hybridge dentistry, what is it that they can understand that they have to do to maintain it? Because that's a big question we get all the time.
Yes.
So you have the Hybridge on the lower.
Yes. And
What do you do?
I brush them in the morning. I brush them at night. And
Like your regular teeth.
I brush my regular teeth. Then I use that little pick underneath.
Okay, you have one here, right? Let's see. Let's take one out. It's a soft.
Yes, it's very soft, and it doesn't hurt the gum. And I
Okay.
can control where it goes. And
So it's one of these gum soft picks.
no,
Is this the one you use? This one here, or something different?
No, it's the one.
Different one?
Yeah.
Oh,
a little.
Forget about gum soft picks.
There's a little rubber.
Oh, like a rubber tip.
Rubber tip.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You get underneath
And I
that.
loosen everything there, so when I do the water pick,
Right.
it gets it right out.
Good. And so you do that every day or every night? What's
I do that at night.
at night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that seems to be working because everything is maintained. Everything looks like the day we put them in.
Oh,
Looks really good.
wonderful.
So
I'm glad to hear that.
So congratulations to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank
And
you.
you're welcome. And hopefully, for all you out there that's watching it, you find it helpful. Margaret is 5 years now, very happy with her Hybridge, and
Very
we're happy
happy.
for her too.
Very happy.